Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair dove 1.7% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The euro-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal. The pound gained 0.5% against the dollar in the last session. The ROC's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The Aussie dollar pair fell 0.6% in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Google will shut down its Stadia cloud gaming service in the UK. Stadia was touted as a Netflix for games when it launched in November 2019. Allowing players to stream games online without a PC or console. Google has promised refunds to anyone who made Stadia purchases. The UK government has warned mobile and broadband providers that it is not right for them to raise prices by more than 14% from April, as customers contend with a surge in living costs. Much of the fixed broadband and mobile phone market has in recent years implemented price increases in April of each year for new customers and those already in contract. Iran is working with Russia to create a token of the Persian Gulf region that would serve as a payment method in foreign trade. The token is projected to be issued in the form of a stablecoin backed by gold, according to Alexander Brashnikov, Executive Director of the Russian Association of Crypto Industry and Blockchain.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US housing starts will be released at 13:30 GMT. Australia's unemployment rate at 00 hours and 30 minutes GMT. The US initial jobless claims at 13:30 GMT. The UK's RICS housing price balance will be released at 00 hours and 1 minute GMT. Australia's employment change at 00 hours and 30 minutes GMT. The Eurozone's current account at 0900 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.